this question, we're looking at the third case where the two power are both m, n are what? Are odd numbers. And you can see the case for this question. Find integral of this. N is power 3, is odd number. N is what? Is 5, is odd number. So in that case now, we're going to use the case 2 method. We're going to take one from here, take one from here, put them together. So we now have now, that will be tan square and then sec to power 4, okay? Then sec x tan x dx. Why we are doing that is want to substitute for sec, okay? Want to substitute for sec, and the derivative of sec will give you this. Okay, then the next thing to do now is to use our identity. 1 plus tan square x is sec square x. So that will be sec square x minus 1 for this one. Okay, this, okay, sec x tan x dx. Okay, so let u be equal to what? Sec x. So the u is equal to what? Sec x tan what? Tan x dx. Okay, then we now have now integral of what? U squared minus 1, and then that will be u to the power 4. Okay, and then this one is what? The u. So that's what we have done in that place. Do expansion, this one times this, that's u6. This one times this minus what? U4, the what? The u. Okay, then integral of this one, or u to the power 6, that what? U7 over 7 minus u5, you integrate this one over 5 plus what? Plus c. So our final answer will now become, we now have 1 over 7, u is what? Sec to power 7 of the function, minus 1 over 5 sec power 5 of the function, plus what? Plus c. And that finished that question. Yeah, we have this question. Find integral of this fraction. So the first thing we have to do, let's look at the solution. This will be equal to tan cube theta times 1 over what? 1 over cos power 4 theta the theta. And this will be equal to integral of, and then 1 over cos is what? Is sec to power 4 of the function the theta. And if you check this one now, the power of sec is what? Is even number. So, and that will call for case 1, whereby we are going to split this one to 2 parts. And then we now have now integral of this, okay, or save one of that. And then here you can do the what? You can use the identity for this one. So we now have this one, and this is equal to what? This is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta, the theta. So that's what we have. Use your U-substitution for this. So the u is what? Sec square theta. So this integral now become 1 plus u squared. Okay. Then this is what? This will be u to the power 3, and then this one is what? This one is the u. So we now have now this one times this one, and that will be u to the power 3 plus u to the power 5. Okay, the u. Then the next thing to do now is to do the integral of that, and that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 1 over 4 u4 plus what? 1 over 6 u6 plus 6. Return your u back, then we have 1 over 4. My u is what? 10 to the power 4 of the function, plus 1 over 6, 10 to the power 6 of the function, plus what? Plus c. Okay, and that finished that question, this question. Okay, please kindly click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Okay, thank you for doing that. Yeah, for this case, find integral of this question, integral over this. You realize that the powers are the same, okay? So, and if such happen, you can use case 1 or case 2, okay? So I'm going to use case 1 where I said when the power of sec is what? Is even. So in that case now, we're going to split this one into 2 parts, sec square theta times what? Sec square theta. Then keep this one, okay? While you what? You use your identity for this and substitute, okay? And don't forget that 1 plus what? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Is equal to sec square theta. So we now have now integral this times 1 plus sec square theta is what? Is 1 plus tan square theta, okay? Sec square theta, the theta. Then the next thing to do is to do the U substitution. Let U be what? Tan theta. So the U differentiates U respect to theta, and that will be what? Sec square theta, the theta. So we now have integral of theta is what? U to power what? Power 4. And then times what? 1 plus what? 1 plus U square. Sec square theta, the theta is what? Is the U. Okay? Then we can do the expansion, and that will be what? U4. U4 times 1 plus U to power 4 times U to power 2. That's a U6 at the U. Okay? Then we can do the integral of U to power 4 will give us what? U to power 5 over 5. Don't forget this power 4 plus 1, making 5, and then you divide by that 5 also. Plus integral of U to power 6 will be what? U7 over 7. Okay, this will be plus 1, that's 7 over what? Over 7, plus the constant of integration. Then the final thing to do now is to return the U back. My U is what? Tan what? Tan theta. So I'm going to have 1 over 5 tan to power 5 theta plus 1 over 7 tan to power 7 theta plus C. And that finished that question.